Yes, so the person has gone and he or she has left the school. So, what will happen to your behavior? What will happen to the attraction or connection between you and him or her? So, there are two ways or two sayings which may recall the answer to this question. First is out of sight, out of mind. Means if the person has gone, your connection, your relationship will get, you know, vanished, finished. Second is distance makes the heart grow fonder. Means that if the person has gone to a distant place, then you will become more attached to that person, your relationship will improve. Now, the explanation that you will choose to explain your behavior will be based on what happens in your life after your friend leaves. For example, if you are able to make a new friend, then the first saying can be said that out of sight, out of mind. But if you are unable to find a new friend, and you will then keep remembering about your friend and you will become more and more close to your that friend. So in this case, the second option can be applied, that distance makes the heart grow fonder. So you can notice here that in both of the cases, the explanation will follow the occurrence of behavior. First, your behavior will occur after the person has gone. Only then we can use to explain your behavior. So common sense is based on hindsight, means after the behavior has already occurred. But psychology as a science runs against common sense. So in psychology, behavior can be predicted. How it can be predicted? With the help of patterns of behavior. We observe a person, his personality or her personality, and then we can predict what will happen to a person's behavior or a person's reaction before the behavior occurs. So we will not explain it after the behavior occurs. We explain after the behavior occurs in common sense. But in psychology, we study it scientifically and we can predict the behavior of the person. So then there was a study that was performed by Dweck. This is another example of how psychology is different from common sense. So Dweck was a psychologist, and what she said that she was concerned with children who gave up very easily. Means who said that no, I cannot do it, I cannot do it. So she was concerned with that type of students. So, in general, if you think common sense tell us how to help these people can be helped that first of all we give them easy problems, then we increase their success so that if we give them easy problems, they will succeed and they will be motivated, and then we can give them a difficult problem. But when she tested this common sense theory, what happened was she divided the two groups of students, and it was based on 25 days of solving maths problems. So one group was given easy problem which they were able to solve very easily. Now the second group was given mix of easy problems and difficult problems. So when the person was given difficult problems, obviously they were not able to do it. But every time they were not able to solve, they were told that yes, you did not try hard enough. That is why you were not able to succeed. So the first group was given only easy problems, and the second was given mix of uh, easy problems and difficult problems. Now, after the training period of 25 days to both the groups in their own ways, what happened? They gave them a separate kind of set of maths problems, and that set was same. So those who had always succeeded because they were given only easy problems, they had given up very easily as compared to those, the second group, which was taught both success and failure. And they were also taught that the failure is there because you did not try hard enough. So here the common sense theory fails because we scientifically tested the facts. So psychology does like this only. We predict behavior on the basis of scientific facts, based on experiments, based on theories that are have scientific basis and not just common sense. So I will tell you just very, very popular beliefs, common sense beliefs. For example, it was believed in many cultures that men are more intelligent than women. Or you must have heard this very, very frequently that women cause more accidents than men. But if you actually see the studies, the researchers based on this, then both of these facts are untrue. That men are more intelligent than women, or women do more car accidents or road accidents than men. So both of these are untrue when we test it scientifically. But if you talk about common sense, you will see that people consider men more intelligent than women, and you can also say that this thing that uh, women are not good drivers and they cause more accidents. So one more example is, in general it is said that when you are performing in front of a large gathering, large audience, you will not be able to perform your best. But psychological studies, they have shown that you actually perform better in front of others only when you have prepared and practiced well. So yes, here in this subject, or in this chapter, or in this whole journey of 11th and 12th in psychology, you will get to know a lot about many scientifically proven facts about psychology, and how the psychologists are different from astrologers, tantrics, and palm readers. They were earlier called these only, but now you will study that how there are various principles, theories that are based on scientifically proven fact. So there is a difference between common sense and psychology. So that's all for now. We will continue later with another topic. Thank you.